Hello.
Barev, that's right.
This is my Irish Jewish friend.
Hello.
Who's in charge of the Knights of Columbus. How do you like that?
That's right.
We just finished a cervical decompression infusion. It's called an ACDF C455667.
Correct.
And we literally wheeled you out of the operating room an hour and a half ago. And how do you feel?
I have zero numbness and pain in my hands, which is what I had before. So I feel fantastic.
So the numbness and pain is gone from your hands?
Gone from my arm and my hands. It feels fantastic. It feels like normal.
That's great to hear. And how's your neck feel?
Oh, a little sore.
A little bit sore?
Oh, a little sore, but not bad at all. No surgical pain. Feels like after a good workout or something.
All right. And where are you going now?
Going home.
That's right.
That's right.
So you got your lovely wife here to drive you home?
Yes, I do.
All right. You want to do a dance for me?
Sure.
Like a leprechaun dance?
That's right.
All right. Fantastic.
Thank you.